Hello everyone, we're here at the Days Inn & Suites Albuquerque Airport location. We're going to take a full hotel room tour of room 323, a standard room with one king-size bed. And this room's near the end of the hallway. There's the stairwell. Looking out the window, you have a bunch of airport hotels here. We're off Center Avenue Southeast, not Central Avenue, Center Avenue. To the south is Town Place Suites, and out of view to the west is Courtyard, both by Marriott. Now coming back to the room, you just have your standard RFID door lock, so let's go in. And on the back of the door, you have your usual door safety features, although they have a newer style door latch here. And then this light switch controls a fluorescent light that takes a little while to start up. Over here's a closet, and you only get 3 coat hangers. That's the fewest I've ever seen in a hotel, although they're the regular kind, not the theft deterrent ones. And they also get an iron and ironing board. The iron's a little bit older and has this metal back on it. Moving over here to the bathroom, you can tell this hotel was built in the 90s just because the fixtures haven't been updated. Also, there's some chipping on the bathroom countertop. The sink faucet's a little bit loose. It doesn't work that good. You can see it's loose here, and here's a test. It works okay, but it's pretty loose. And the bathroom mirror's top coating is also not in good condition. You can see it's flaking there in the corner. And on the left side of the mirror, you have a hairdryer, a normal outlet, and a towel bar. And the light above the sink, you can see it's this older fluorescent light design with an egg grate grid diffuser. And then up here's the light and fan. Here's the fan. And here's a heat lamp. The heat lamp's on a mechanical timer seen here. It only goes up to 15 minutes though. And then below it you have a GFCI outlet, although it's in a weird orientation. And then on the other side of the bathroom is the toilet. It's an older style toilet. And at first glance you might think that it's dirty, but it's actually just the enamel coating wearing off the toilet seat. So the coating's wearing off and exposing the wooden composite the seat's made out of. I don't know why the hotel hasn't replaced this yet. Moving on to the shower, you can see the shower fixtures are a bit older. They have a very 90s design. And then up here's the shower head. It looks like it's been replaced, but it's not that adjustable. You can just move it. You can't adjust the nozzle settings. And here's a test of the shower. The shower works okay. The water does get very hot very quick, so just be aware. And then coming over here to the main part of the room, there's a blue chair. And then there's the luggage stand. It's usually in the closet, but I brought it out. Here's a look at the main part of the room. There's the bed, and then there's a reclining chair. It's very spacious here. And they also get countertop and wet bar area. You can see there's 4 power outlets, coffee maker, microwave up top, and a bunch of storage cabinets built in. And then here's the sink. You can see it works good. The fixtures are in better condition than the one in the bathroom. And then on the bottom right's the mini fridge. Here's a look inside it. Just your standard size mini fridge with a freezer compartment. It's actually set pretty cold. It froze my waters, but it runs constantly because there's not enough ventilation. Here's the reclining chair. It's a bit worn, but works okay. And then over here's the nightstand with 1 drawer. Then you get a newer style hotel phone. And then taking a look at the hotel phone, there's actually 2 USB ports on it, which is pretty interesting. You can charge a device from one of those ports. And then above is the wall light. You can see they're using 1 CFL and 1 LED. And here's the hotel alarm clock. It's an older GE unit. You can see there's a model number. The clock is missing its backup battery and also its volume knob. You can see there's where it usually is, but it's just a screwed terminal. You can only adjust the radio, that's that other dial. You also get 4 power outlets by the nightstand, so plenty of outlets. And then turning over here is the TV, and this is a pleasant surprise. It's actually a wall-mounted TV. You can see the TV used to be placed on the entertainment console as is typical. There are the drill marks where the DirecTV box used to be. And here's a look at the TV. It's quite small. It's only a 32-inch TV. It's very small when viewed from the bed, but they get standard DirecTV HD service here. And here's a look at the entertainment console drawers. They're quite deep and spacious. Fits a whole backpack. And then over here's a table with 2 chairs. There's a phone jack above, and then there's a power outlet underneath the table. And then here's a look out the window to the east. This property is adjacent to a Veterans Affairs Clinical Research Pharmacy. It's a federal facility, so pretty quiet neighbors. And then down here's the PTAC unit. It's a newer Frigidaire model, and it actually has a dehumidify function. And then you can see down here there's not much room between the bed and the window, and one of the casters that the bed is on sticks out, so you have to be very careful not to hit your foot on it. Now here's a look at the bed from the window area. It's pretty spacious, although you don't get that much room on the right nightstand due to the table lamp. And here's an overview of the room. Overall, the room was pretty good. I paid $106 a night in February 2022. It was good for the price, except the bathroom could use some remodeling. So that's going to be it for this full hotel room tour at the Days Inn & Suites Albuquerque Airport location. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to get subscribed and check out other travel videos on my channel. The videos with the EV6 will be coming in the next few months.